Hi, it's Richard Dancer here from Once, Wills and Trusts. I want to talk to you today about business relief. So if you are a business owner, that means if you are part of a partnership, LLP, so you're a partner of a firm, or you are a company director, or you own shares in a company, significant amount of shares, unquoted company shares, that is, so it's not publicly trading, it's a private firm, then you are eligible to something called a tax relief called business relief, specifically towards inheritance tax. So the reason I'm talking about this, because a lot of business owners may have a business that's worth quite a considerable amount of money. It's not looking to sell it per se, but it's, the value is there, and you may be dismissing this, or you may not have had advice around this in the past. But if you own shares or own elements of a business, then it is part of your estate. You need to be aware of that. So the shares, if it's in your name, it's part of your estate. If you're a partner of a partnership, your half or your share of that partnership is part of your personal estate for inheritance tax purposes. Same as if you own an LLP or you're a member of an LLP, then your particular share is in your personal name. It's going to be part of your estate. Now, that business or share of a business will have value. If you pass it down to family members, it will form part of their estate. It will have value. So that will, if it adds to your estate on the premise of inheritance tax planning, then what are you going to do about it? Okay, something to consider. So in estate planning purposes, yeah, you can put it as part of your will. That needs to be done correctly. I've got another training on that. It's not just about adding your shares to your estate and that's it, and giving away as a legacy. In fact, you could lose your relief if it's not done properly. Okay, but that's another story for another time. But specifically with business relief per se, be aware that you are eligible for this. It's something to consider if you haven't done any form of planning whatsoever. So what is business relief? Well, it is a relief under the Inheritance Tax Act, where you are eligible to offset any value of that business up to 100%. There is criteria, as long as it's a trading business and it's not publicly quoted company, it's a private company, then you can attract up to 100% relief on any ownership of shares that you have in that business, which is very, very valuable. All right. So there's planning that you can do during your lifetime. There's planning that you can do as part of your will. But it's something to be aware of, something to take consideration about, and have a discussion in any kind of estate planning or succession planning that you may be doing or thinking about doing, or even if you haven't thought about it, get in touch with us and we can certainly help you with that. Okay, so that's the main crux of this video, just to highlight the fact that you are eligible, or you could potentially be eligible for a tax relief called business relief for a trading business, and it's very, very valuable, very powerful, and something to consider in your planning if you haven't done so already. All right. So that's me, Richard Dancer from Once, Wills and Trust. If you're interested in finding out more, then feel free to drop a line on our website. Just try to contact or do the quiz, or just reach out to us in general. No problem at all. Or even leave a comment on the video below, obviously in the comments area, and we'll get back to you. No problem at all. All right. Thanks very much. If you found this video useful, thumbs up would be fantastic. If you thought it was a waste of time, then please hit the thumbs down so we'll know. And if there's anything that you want to learn or find out about, then please feel free to reach to us or come back to us. Leave a comment below, and we'll certainly take that into consideration moving forward. All right, thanks very much. Cheers.